Hello everybody, it's K3 Ralph. Obviously today we're doing a video about the coilovers. I have them on the car, and as you just saw before, they look really awesome. The car's lowered, the car is fun, it is feeling a whole lot better than it originally has, and today we're just going to take a little drive and talk about the coilovers and how the install went. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Go ahead and hit it.
Losing focus on all that's going on, I've been building up stress. Yes, mama business, they still insist that I'm always owing them debt. I know I paid my dues and I kept it moving. I wonder what I got next. I guess I'm hoping that I just keep it up, maybe cop a bulletproof vest next. People switching up every day, but I'm used to it, so I can't complain. Got it now when I figured out that you all soft and you feel the pain when you see me winning. I know it hurts, but take it up with yourself first. I'm too busy with my own thoughts, don't got time for your less work. All of my beats, they be slapping the hardest, rapping like I came from Mars. It's never subpar, I'm these rappers' father. If you're not in my league, don't even bother. I don't got time to be playing no games. I'm going insane. You're looking at me, but no, we're not the same. I'm doing it bigger and better. You hit for a minute, I'm hitting forever.
Alright guys, so obviously we're in the car here today. So we're just going to be doing a little drive along and talking about the coilovers and how they feel. Obviously, the main idea of this video that I want to get across, so I'm going to be driving a little bit here while we're going. Basically, the whole idea of this video is giving you an idea that these coilovers, yes, they're the cheapest on the market. And they're actually a fantastic ride. Like I said, when you see them on the car, obviously in the first little bit of the video, you're gonna notice that they actually turned out really good on how they look as far as, you know, how low it really is. So I'm really happy with how low it is now. It's perfect. I can just get over speed bumps with how I am right now. And the ride actually is a whole lot better than I thought it was gonna be. So kudos to Raceland for these awesome coilovers, because everybody dogs on these coilovers, but man, they ride better than any coilovers that I've had already. So, you know, it's one of those things where like, I feel like they just get the bad impression because it's always popular to just mess with the ones that have already been getting the problems. And also, if you guys didn't recently see, we hit 1,000 subscribers, so just want to say a big thank you to that one. But other than that, you know, obviously I just wanted to ride along in the car to describe this video because I think it's a great video to do, talking about how these actually ride. It's been fantastic on how these ride so far. I've had the BC coils previously. I've also had the SR Performance V2 coilovers as well. Both coilovers, great products as well. But these are surprisingly, if not just as adequate in my opinion. So I think that it's a no-brainer why you would spend, you know, the extra $400, $500 to get BC coils and stuff, because you just want the name brand, because it's basically what's being bought here. Raceland's coilovers are just as good. And you know, I've been riding on them for about 150 miles right now, so this would kind of be like my 150 mile review. So I haven't had any issues whatsoever. The install was actually flawless. We had no issues. A big thank you to Aaron and Brandon helping out for that whole process. We got those coilovers in pretty easily. So as you can see, I'm riding about, I believe in the front we're down about 2 inches, I think maybe, and then in the rear I believe it's an inch, sorry, 2 inches as well. So it's not really completely maxed out like I usually would like it to, but honestly with my living options at the moment, you know, I live on campus with speed bumps that are really terrible, and they're big, so like, you know, it leaves me with very few options of how low I can actually go. You know, when I had air ride, it was a whole different thing, but obviously, like I said, these coilovers give a great look for any car that's looking to drop it, and honestly, I couldn't be happier with how these turned out. And I think that if anybody's considering buying these coilovers, it's definitely a go-to. I would definitely not turn you away from these. And honestly, I gain nothing from lying about how performance is. But if you daily an S197 Mustang, I'm just letting you know that these coilovers do a great job. They're very nice. Like I said, the quality and the finish and the product review that I did last was really nice, but obviously this is more of a ride-in, so you get the kind of, you know, it's kind of a feel thing, you know. Honestly, it's very difficult for me to actually show you guys how stiff they are and how well they actually feel, but you could just take it personally from me. I've been in the reviewing business for about 2 years now, so like, you know, I enjoy doing products. I enjoy giving people the right information on stuff. You know, even if I'm not completely knowledgeable in that section, I try my best to at least give you guys some of the best content possible. And you know, I think these coilovers did a great job. I think Raceland did a great job, and I think that they don't deserve the bad rap that they get, you know. And I still have people, when I bought these, they're like, man, you're crazy, it's so stupid to buy those. And I'm like, man, you just dog on this brand for nothing. So, you know, big shout out to Raceland for this. And honestly, I just wanted to keep this video short, you know, other than talking about how they look, how they feel. It's a stiff ride. It's fantastic how well they ride. Very, like I said, you know, a couple other things. The J&M adjustable pan handbar obviously helps with the body roll and everything. So, you know, these coilovers are just an all-around good buy. And, you know, I definitely recommend anybody, like I said, looking to get into these, go ahead and give them a shot. Obviously, they're not super complex like some of the big brands where you can actually do the compression and whatnot. But obviously, they are, for a daily car, I think they're the best coilovers on the market for the price. So best bang for your buck, obviously. So like I said, just want to keep this one short, guys. I really appreciate you guys stopping in. Like I said, thank you for my wonderful girlfriend for holding the camera. And you guys have a great day. Thanks for stopping by.